If you have a company or organization profile like this, I can transform it like this. For businesses like construction, consultations, logistics, and general trading, and even non-government organizations that need to attend multiple tenders and send proposals regularly, a professional company or organization profile is essential. A professionally made company profile can increase your chances of winning any tender or partnership collaboration. If you already have a well-crafted profile, you are one step ahead. But if you don't have a properly written and designed profile, your chances of winning the tender may decrease significantly. I am Jaffer. For the last few years, I have been creating, recreating, and redesigning these kinds of profiles for local and international businesses. In the past 11 months alone, I have worked with more than 17 companies and organizations in Somalia and Kenya, as well as some other East African companies. Not only do I build profiles, but I also help create or recreate professional and mobile responsive websites. For a few clients, I have provided complete branding services from scratch to finish, including logos, content, business card, letterhead, presentations, and other assets. If you are interested in taking your business one step ahead of your competitors, consider my services. If you need immediate help, let me know your contact details, and I'll reach out to you soon. To learn more about me and my detailed services, you can visit my website or you can message me on WhatsApp now.